Okay, so when you're in the assessment page, so that's probably how you've started finding this information. Here you have all of your details for how to do the assignment. Then when you come down here and you have your attempts, you can choose that you want to attempt a media upload. You hit record or upload and then record. It might give you a pop-up in the corner asking if you want to give your Chromebook or your computer permission to um, record you, and then you can do that. So one of the downsides of doing it this way is I can't also see the visual aid that you're using to know what to present about, but that's not really as much of what I'm assessing you on. I'm mostly assessing your presentation on your presentation skills. So some of the recommendations I have is to look at your webcam, not to be like looking at a piece of paper with your notes. If you want to have your slideshow pulled up on the side to be referencing, you can do that. And then you really should try to make sure that your presentation lasts about 5 or 6 minutes. So if it's shorter than that, you might need to go back and add more content. And that's how you can use the Canvas function to record some media for your submission.